Dear students, good morning. Have a nice day. Generally, we write letters. To whom? To our father, to our mother, to our friends. But have you ever written a letter to God? Did you ever come across someone writing a letter to God? People believe faith can move mountains. But what should we put our faith in? This is the question this story delicately poses. Now, listen to a story. The title of the story is A Letter to God. It is written by G.L. Huntes. Before listening to the story, keep a question in your mind. The question is, who is the main character in this part of the story? Now, listen to the story. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one would see the river, the field of ripe corn dotted with the flower that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his field intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Now we are really going to get some water, Omen. The Omen, who was preparing supper, replied, Yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the Omen called to them all, Come for dinner. It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, These aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces, and the little ones are fives. Now, students, read this part of the story at least twice and try to find out some unknown words. The first is crest. Crest means the top of a hill. Parvata Shikhara. Dotted with, scattered over an area. This cornfield is dotted with flowers. Predict, foretell the future, or say something beforehand. Purbanumana koriba. Then cent, a unit of Latin American money worth 1/100th of a dollar. This is the picture of cent. ଆମ ଭାରତରେ ଏହାକୁ ଏକ ପଇସା ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ. Huge mountain of clouds. ପାହାଡ଼ ଭଳି ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ମେଘ. Look at the picture. After reading the paragraphs, try these questions. Now the first question is, who is the main character in this part of the story? The second is, where was Lencho's house? The third is, what could be seen from the height? The fourth is, what did Lencho's field need? The fifth is, what did Lencho do throughout the morning? The sixth is, in which direction was Lencho looking? The seventh is, why was Lencho looking towards a particular direction, not any other? Eighth is, whom did the phrase the omen refer to? Ninth, what were the older boys doing? 10th, what were the smaller boys doing? 11th, what happened when the family was having his dinner? Why did Lencho go out? 13. What did Lencho compare the raindrops to? 14th. For Lencho, what was the value of each big raindrops and why? 15. What was the value of each small raindrops?